My boots are falling apart, so in order for me to fix them, I've got some beautiful shoelaces on them to help hold the shoe that's falling apart. See? How good's that? How good's this? He's done a lot of work here. So all that area was, like I might have said yesterday, grown up against the wall. So we're just going over it a bit more, just to flatten it and kill off the grass. This wall is completely broken. Excuse me for saying the same thing twice. We've been so busy I sort of keep forgetting. But he's done all this area here. It looks absolutely beautiful. We're towards the end of it.
Oh God, my face is probably covered in stuff. Got a bit more done. Loving this thing, but still a big backpack one. It's probably not the biggest, but it's really good. Done all over there. Couldn't see that corner before. You can see the wall, at the base of the wall. All the way down there, all here, right up there. I'm more than halfway across because I've run out of fuel again. So that's where I've done to. You can see the different right there. But I've been getting a garden bed back. I didn't know there was a retaining wall here. A stone wall. A little part of it's collapsed here. So, okay. That must have been the cap. And it's dropped down off the, yeah. Because it's a rock wall like that. And I did it all in there. And there. I haven't done there yet. Gotta really get rid of some of that yucky stuff. Looks nice. You couldn't get in here before. But yeah, it's a nice little border. All this was that. It just looked like that. And I zapped all that out of there. Found this little edging. A little step. Found some flower pots. I couldn't see the flower pots. Do a bit more here later when I get petrol. Heading to Lake Como tomorrow for 3 days. So after that, I will continue. So pretty. Nice little courtyard.
That's good too.
Yeah.
Come up here, it looks really nice.
But is it steep?
It doesn't look steep from here, but I can imagine from down there it would be really steep.
Yeah.
From here, it looks fairly flat, but I can see a slow incline. Are you happy with it?
Yeah. That's beautiful then. I want to get rid of some of that, those bulbs there.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe just take the tops off them so you can see a bit more. That's in a garden, so I think
Okay.
people in that house.
Yeah, I think so.
That's been renovated. That's all really nice.
Right.
Have you seen, if you walked along there, you'd see that it's beautiful.
Yeah. I'll probably slip because there's...
Catch up.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's got stairs and whatnot. That garden needs attention too. I actually don't think I'll have enough time to do this part, which I'm filming this tiny little section here, because apparently when you dig down, the whole thing has stone underneath it. So it's years and years of soil that's been built up, and then the grass covers it. But it's like that. It's a path like that. There are sections of it that are not good, because I believe at one point this wall, because of some flood or something, broke away. But just trying to, to expose the little stones, clean it all up. But you know what? It's good that it's cleared, as in got rid of all the grass, because it was all overgrown here and you could hardly get up here. So it's cleared the pathway a bit now, which is a lot better. Along this wall. Another good day's work.